Ipolisi no district alo kumi ngesida Atubokin boda na Aparasia re kanoda dumuni boro luda ibusa kiniti kanoda itekere pikipikin nuda ngesida ikeu noto mauriane tenada jai kina kana mukaga polo kintede DPC Enape kerele ya iti nuda alosit otupte takiro nuda balare be kope kwa naka ngasha nuda puata ngesida rasi no ya uneneti boda lude mame atike de apirian tunada itekeri pikipikin.
There is recklessness amongst you people. I've ever observed it when I'm at the station around police. You see border riders riding a motorcycle at a terrible speed without even minding about other road users. He cruises too, and as they ride recklessly, they even don't have helmets or body protective gears. Why would you ride recklessly? It when you land, maybe when you are still alive, you go and pay millions of money, and yet we have our families.
When you are on the road driving or riding, how should a rider look like? How many of you have this? How many have helmets even now? How many? Third party insurance. How many have permits? That when you are on the road, you must have what I've just mentioned. Our vehicles must be in good condition.
Isa ngesde yata kinte obala daebe. Ibodai luda ipu kopekwa na ngesde ilo kinosa kiron uda angor. Iboreda ena kikesi lu ipu mamuda ipedortosi adia kunu nara iba ngada nakini dio kapun kanoda itopoli kalia kej.
For us now to begin foreseeing in what you get here from your job, your employment, as you spend, at the same time get percentage. Say these people who are interested in women, by the way, let me tell you one thing: women will never end in this world, but for them they can finish you economically. The money will go. At the end of that day, you will find that even a coin you don't have.
Richard Achandu, Lord Redisolo Kumi District. Ngisda chora kinti boda kerara utulude choikina kama deja tungalua rokog. Luda kopekwa na loma kisai tosoma ngor kanuda kwa kids.
Being lured for money. You know you love ladies also. Who came, they said they have been sent by a bank. There's new bank that's coming there. But one condition for them is that they must learn how to ride a motorcycle. They went and identified new motorcycles, 5 of them. Said per day we're giving you 100,000 shillings. He started like this, reaching the road. Wow. Report every wrong people whom you have carried or who is using you. At that seat, they send you, go and buy this car.
Yeah, Rabbi, kilometer sabo. So Ibodai niche dilara pitongalo aroko ko mejini bali na biton la ronon. Na je dumune boda be jadu ni kapunu ipu. Si mind sike kapunu boni ko tunisi. Ine Rabbi Ibodai ka insurance ma mototo rekada permit nara anadu mune anwe boda dumu na permit. It is very expensive no mame pedo reta da mudanga jene rancha rakupugana tama ainde we pole pera ngarani boda.
So our mission we reflector element kana napita mukajoka. Nara yuarete jisana no kerajo.
Ya joka je utiborang. Nara yuarusa kwan. Jakita sai singo kiningu Enape mok careful jacket da ka glove suda no.
Eta isabiti la tubor Ibodai lude doltosi kan. Ngisde poti ilo kinosto makanga shano egitigita. Ido sabiti lo kopekwa na geun. Ngisde pone right tege ripotolo airochune dio boda lode Enapita anapitonada mami busa kindi keda swamuke. Kanuka TV East Martinopolo Kokumi District.